Hello guys, welcome back to Course Daddy. In today's video we are going to discuss how to create this awesome looking website using free page builder called Elementor. The complete website is made using free plugins and free themes. You don't have to invest a single penny in creating this type of website. And if you want to know how to buy domain name and web hosting, I have already created a video on that. You can watch that video so that you can learn how to buy web hosting and which is best web hosting, what are the process before buying the web hosting and domain name. And if you don't want to invest single penny on creating a website and you want to learn on your local computer, I have also created a video on that, how to install WordPress on your local computer, that is using XAMPP server. You can also that video. So now we will proceed further. Please, so before proceeding, please do like, do share, do subscribe guys, so that we can create such videos in future also. Let's start. Hello guys, now I am in my computer screen. I am assuming that you have already purchased domain name and web hosting to in this tutorial. If you don't have purchased yet domain and web hosting, so I have already created a video on it to how to purchase web hosting and domain. You can see that how to buy domain name and web hosting. And also if you want to install the WordPress on your local computer, and I have also created videos on that, how to install WordPress on your local computer. So if you want to proceed further, you have to choose one of this option. I am assuming that you already have domain name and web hosting. And if you want to purchase domain name and web hosting, I will provide you a coupon code. Actually, I will provide you a website name which will provide you web hosting at the 80% off. That is MilesWeb. And I am giving you a link in description. As you can see that in MilesWeb there is a 80% off discount on all hosting plans. You can purchase web hosting from here. I have given a link in description box. So without wasting time, I will proceed further and show you how to install WordPress. So I will log in into my cPanel, as I have purchased web hosting from iFastNet, and I have logged in into my cPanel, and I will go to install WordPress. Here you can see there is a symbol of WordPress. I will click on it, and then I will click on just install now. And I want to install on HTTPS, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol secured layer, because I have SSL certificate, and I want to install this on vcars.coursedaddy.com domain name, and I don't want to install it in any directory, so I will remove it. And then the name of my website is Course Daddy, and description will be all one-stop solution. One-stop digital solutions. And then I will create admin and password, so I will put it same for a while, and then I will install it. I will just go down and install. As you can see that WordPress is installed. Then I will click on return on overview, and the vcars.coursedaddy.com is installed for a WordPress, and I will click on admin panel. As you can see that admin panel is open. Then I will install some themes and plugin to start our process of making website. Then I will go in appearance and click on themes, and custom add new option. Click on add new option. Here you can in this search box search for OceanWP. Here the theme will come that the name is OceanWP. You have to just install it, and you can see that the theme is installed. I will just activate it, and the theme is activated. Now it is saying that the theme recommend following plugin. I will click on begin installing plugin, and the plugins will get installed. I will just click on it, install. It is a method of installing recommended plugin. As you can see that plugin activated successfully. Now we will install third-party plugins. Then I will click on plugin and add new. Now here search for Elementor. I have searched Elementor, and Elementor website builder name plugin is Arise. And what you have to do is just install Elementor, essential add-on for Elementor. and premium add-ons for Elementor. After installing, so please go into plugins and install plugins. Just click on this mark and bulk action and activate all plugins and apply it. As you can see that all the plugins get activated. Now we have to create pages. Just go on pages and click on add new. Here you have to enter the page name. We are going to create 3 pages, that is home page, about us and contact us page. So I will create first home page. I have created a home, and content layout will be 100% full width, the full width, and then title will be disabled. I don't want to show homepage title on my homepage, and the template will be Elementor full width. Just click on publish. After plugin, again go on WordPress dashboard and click on add new, and now create about us and contact us page. As you can see that I have created all the pages, that is about us, contact us, homepage, and already when I've installed WordPress, there is 2 pages already come with WordPress. I will delete them. Just click here and move to trash and apply it. As you can see that all the pages are created. Now I am going to edit these pages. First I will start with home page, that is I will click on edit and just click on edit with Elementor. As you can see that Elementor page is open. The Elementor which we are using is free version. Pro version of Elementor is also available there, but today we are going to use only free version of Elementor. In this here you can see that it is complete blank page. What we have to do, I am going to do is I will click create a slider over here. To create a slider, I will click on plus and insert a single section. As you can see, the single section is inserted. It is currently boxed width, but I will set it to full width and then publish. Height will be minimum height and just update it. Now here I will create a beautiful slider. For that I have to upload some images. I will click on these 6 dots and go on style, and will select background type. There are multiple background, that is brush, gradient. If you want to upload video, you can upload video also, but I want to upload slideshow. Just I will click on slideshow and click on this plus button and go on upload files and select files. Here you have to select files that you want to upload. So I will select some random files and I will select these files and I will click on open. So you can see that the images are getting uploaded. After uploading all the images, make sure that you have selected all the images and just click on create new gallery, and you can see that the images that you have selected all are there. You can arrange these images by dragging and drop. Just click on insert into gallery, and you can see that all the images will get inserted in our slider. Now here I am going to add some title. That will be what I will do is just click on this 9 dots and select heading and drag and drop it here and add it here some text. I will add furniture shop and make sure it will be in center, and style will be colored will be white, and typography will be Poppins. I will select on Poppins and increase its size, and weight will be 500. After that I will click on these 6 dots again and add some background overlay so that my text will be visible clearly. I will click on brush tool and here, and I will select some dark background. So now the text is also visible. I will publish it. Now I will add 2 buttons, that will be about us and contact us name button. So what I will do is just click here and select insert section and drag and drop it here Now I will again go in my menu and find out button. I will insert the button here, and position alignment of the button will be at right side. So I click on right, and the text of the button will be about us, and link will be about us. You can add any link here, but I have already created some pages related to about us and contact us. So here you can see that about us is there. I will click on about us, and link already will appear here. Just click on update. Now what you have to do is again go here and select a button and drag and drop it here, and the alignment is okay. What you have to do is change the button text. I will set it to contact us, and link will be page of contact us. So I typed here contact, and the name contact is there. I will click it here and update it. Now I will change the color of this contact us button. I will go on style and select background color will be orange. So I'll click on orange and update it. Now our slider is ready. Then I will divide this slider using shape divider. What I will do is I will click on these 6 dots and go in style bar, and here I will search for shape divider. As you can see that here is shape divider. I will click on the shape divider and click on bottom, and in this select pyramid, and pyramid will appear, and I will change the height and width. I want to reduce the height. Okay, and then we will update it. After that we are going to integrate an infographic here. So I will click on this yellow star. It appears here because we have installed a plugin known as premium add-on for Elementor earlier. So I will click it here. After that, in this, when this page arrives, go to facts and figures and click on any of the infographics, but I will love to insert this one. I will click on insert. Insert. As you can see that infographics get inserted, and if I want to edit it, just I will click on this number and I can edit it easily. Just click here the number you want to enter. I will enter 900, and if I want to change this text, I will click on this text also, and I want to change, I will change it as that I want to insert here, and I will insert here welcome to furniture Shopee, and I will save it, update it. Now what I will do is I will integrate a template in this page. That is, Elementor provides us multiple number of free templates. To integrate a template, I will click on this gray folder, and in these pages I will search for home page. As you can see that there is a home page related to our theme. I will click on this and insert now, and template is gets successfully integrated on our website. As you can see that now our new website is looking like this. And if I want to change this text, I can also change it here. I just click it here, and whatever text you want to enter, you can enter it from it here. And to see further, you can see that the complete template has been get integrated. If you want to change the photo of this bar, just click it here, and whatever photo you want to insert, you can select it, and I will keep it right here as it is. And I will go down and see what other features I got when I integrated this template. So template is successfully integrated. Now I will update it, and now I will create about us page. Just click here and go to exit to dashboard, and just click on go to dashboard, and click for about us edit button, and here you can see that there is a button known as edit with Elementor. Just click it here, As I have clicked on Elementor, then I will again click on this gray box and search for About Us page. Just search for here About Us, and there are a lot of number of About Us page, but I will click on this page and I will click it Insert. If you want to change the link of this Facebook icons to another, just click on here and go to link section, add your Facebook page link, same add Twitter page link or YouTube page link, and just click on update. Now we will edit contact us page. Again go to dashboard, click here and exit to dashboard. Now go to our pages. Now we will edit contact us page. Just click on edit and click on edit with Elementor. And Elementor page is opened. Just again click on this template page and search for contact page. Here you can see that there are multiple contact us pages, but we will select free page. All these are pro version pages. We are using Elementor free version. So here it is free version of template. I will click here and click on insert. And you can see that contact us template is also get integrated. If you want to change the text of this template, just click on here and change contact us now. And if you want to change the phone number, just click here and change whatever you want to enter and update it. It was a method of implementing template on your web pages and creating the website in just 10 minutes. Now we will going to create a menu over here. Just again go to your dashboard and click here and go to appearance and select on menus. Now create a new menu named as main. I will create a new menu named as main and just click on create menu. And here are the pages that we have created earlier, that is home page, about us and contact us. Just click on select all and add to menu. I want to change the position of home page on the top, and after that there will be about us page, and at the last there will be contact us page. Just click on main menu and save menu. Now we will open our site and check whether it is looking good or not. Just go on CourseReady and visit site. Here it is our site. It is showing one static page, but I have created 3 pages: home page, about us and contact us. I will click on home page and we'll look at how it is looking. So this is our home page. And now I will show you our contact page. Just click on about contact us page. Here it is our contact page that we have created 2 minutes earlier. And now we will see about us page. Just click on about us, and here is our about us page. You can edit it anytime. Now as when I'm loading my website, there is a static page which is showing that the only title one-stop solution. I will create when anyone click on this CourseReady logo, the home page will open. To do that, I will go again in my dashboard and will go in setting and reading section. I will click on reading and select a static section from here, static page, and select home page as our new home page. Click here and just click on save page. Now I will again open my site. Just click on visit site, and you can see that our home page is opening now. So I have changed my static page to home page. And now our beautiful website is ready with 3 different pages, and we have implemented it successfully. If you want to learn to create website without using template like this beautiful website, so please like, share and subscribe our channel to see our further updates on videos. We will create a beautiful looking website without using any template. So that's all for today. Thank you. Please do like, do share and subscribe.